My students, how are you? Group 2. Today we'll solve from Al-Moasser book, Cumulative Assessment number 4, the lesson 1, unit 2. First question shows the correct answer. Is the order 8 and y plus 3 equivalent to x minus 1 and 11? What is the value of square root of x plus 2y? We can solve this example by properties. We have order equal order here. This is the first reduction equal first reduction and second equal second. In the value of 8 equal x minus 1. We can find the value of x. X here it will be 9 because 9 minus 1 equal 8. Then the first solution x minus 1 will be 8. Okay, x minus 1 equivalent to 8. Then the value of x equal 9. And second order about y plus 3 it will be to equal 11. Then y will be 11 minus 3, it will be 8. Now I will find here square root of x plus 2y. X was 9 plus 2 product by 8 equals 16. 2 times 8 is 16. Then the square root of 25, the result will be 5. Okay, the answer here will be 5. Choose the answer letter A. Okay, next question down. If x product by y, Cartesian product by y, equals set of 5 and 2, what is the value of number of orders in x2 and number of order in y2? We have x here with right set of 5 only. The first will be polling to x, and second y have 1 element. Then the number of element of x will be 1, and number of element of y equal 1. So y power 2, y times 1 equal 1, and 1 times 1 equal 1. Then the result will be 1. Okay, next question down. Number 3. If x Cartesian product by y equal 3, 1, 2 and 1, 4 and 1, then 1 and 1 polling to what? Look at here. X will be equal the first projection 3 and 2 and 4. 3, 2 and 4. And y will be also second 1, 1, 1, 1 only. We can't repeating 1. Okay. Now he asked about 1. 1 repeating what here? Repeating to y. Product by Cartesian product by y same. Then the answer will be y2. Then the answer will be y2. Choose letter D. Next question down. To which Cartesian product does the point negative square root of 17 and 0 polling to r by r? Because we have a rational number here. We have a square root of 17. Then negative square root of 17 polling to real numbers, and 0 also polling to real numbers. It shows letter D, r by r. Okay, understood? Okay, next question down. F3, A3, B2, the proportional quantities. What is the value of B over A? Okay, proportional quantities first over second equal third over fourth. Then if we divided B by A, B divided by A equal 2 over 3. Then the result will be 2 over 3. Choose letter A. Next question. What is the first proportional of two numbers 4 and 8? Okay. He won't find the first. I will write here x. Here this is the first proportional. We have 4 and 8. 4 will be the middle between two numbers x and 8. Then the value of x equal, we can write 4 times 4 divided by 8. The product of extremes equal product of means. And 4 times 4 equals 16 divided by 8 equal 2. And the answer here equal 2. The value of x equal 2. Choose letter A. Next question down, number 2. If x equal set of 2 and negative 1 and y equal 4 and 0, z equal 4, 5, negative 2. Find each of the following x Cartesian by y. We can write order here 2 and 4, it's the first order, and second 2 with 0, and third negative 1 with 4, and third the fourth negative 1 with 0. Okay, we have Cartesian product between x and y. It's the first solution. Second, here he asked about the intersection between y and z. Look at here y and z. Intersection between together 4. 4 is the intersection. Then we have set of 4 product by set of 2 and negative 1. Okay, I will find the answer Cartesian product between two sets. I will use distributive properties about order 4 and 1, 2 is the first order, and second order will be 4 and the negative 1. 4 and the negative 1, okay? Next question. What about x Cartesian product by z difference y? First, x equal 2 and the negative 1. 2 and the negative 1 brackets product by z difference y. What is the number belonging to z and not find in y? Look at here, 5 and negative 2 belonging to z and not belonging to y. Then z difference y equal 5 and negative 2. Right, 5 and negative 2. Next step, we can find the answer here by using distributive about Cartesian product. The first order, right, 2 and 5. 2 and 5, okay? And second will be 2 and we have here negative 2, okay? 2 and the negative 2, and negative 1 with 5, and negative 1 with negative 2, negative 1 with negative 2, okay? Understood? Distributive about first 2 with 5, 2 with negative 2, negative 1 with 5, negative 1 with negative 2. Last question, number of Cartesian product, y by y. We have 2 elements in y, then 2 times 2 is 4, the number of orders in y product by itself equal 4. This the answer will be 4. Last question here, if A, B, C are continued proportional. Prove that. Left hand side equal right hand side. Okay. First step. To find the solution, you must raise the ratio. We have continued. Listen to me about continued. You remember by the rules. Continued, it's meaning E over B. Look at here. E over B. It will be equal B over C, equivalent to. Okay, we have E, B, C all, not D. Okay, then we have E over B also. Okay, E over B equal B over C. Then we have three quantities proportional here. Then we can write here constant M. Then which M not equal 0. Then value of A will be equal Cm power 2. Look at here, C product M to 1 to Cm power 2. And also B equal C product by M. Start to prove that left hand side equivalent to right hand side. Start about left hand side here. The relation B over C plus B, it will be equal to. The value of B was Cm, right here Cm. E2, right, Cm over to C plus P. P was Cm. And then write Hadcom factor down. Right, C Hadcom factor down. Then the result will be C divided by C equal 1 and Cm divided by C equal M. Okay, it's left hand side. And what about right hand side here? Right hand side where? Right hand side A over B plus C, right? Hand side. We have E over B plus A. It's equivalent to value of A here equals Cm power 2. And B was Cm plus A was Cm power 2. Now I will write the Hadcom factor between two numbers here. The Hadcom factor between down Cm power 2 up here and down we have Cm was repeating. Then open the bracket, Cm divided Cm equal 1 and Cm power 2 divided Cm equal M. Then C divided by C equal 1 and M power 2 divided by M equal M. And down we have 1 plus M. They are equivalent. Left hand side equal to right hand side. They are equivalent. Look at here. The first solution here, we can simply C divided by C equal 1. And then we have here M over 1 plus M. And left hand side equivalent also. The left hand side equal right hand side equal M over 1. M over 1 plus M. Understood? So that's the question. Next video, I will complete explain cumulative assessment number 5. This lesson, I explain how to find Cartesian product between the sets. And if we have two order are equivalent, then the first projection equals second projection and solves the equation. Understood? Okay, next question, I will explain. Okay, goodbye.